gonna make your dinner already?
Yeah, I think so. I'm pretty hungry.
Alright, I'm going to throw it on there.
Yeah. There we go.
Yeah, I'll just pop that on top.
Yeah, you kind of.
Look at his little pot and everything.
Yeah. Yeah, well, it's a little, you can't really see what you're getting into.
Way to ruin a great shot.
Is that a ball?
Yeah.
But I don't.
You go, okay, lad. What are you doing, Norgard? You're trying to make Anaconda still better. Just lose the front.
Lose the camera.
I don't know. I don't know if it was front or rear. Hang on a sec.
I think it was both.
Just lost the bike.
Another puddle.
I think this is the last one.
Easy.
I don't want to tell you guys because it'll freak you out, but a little dusting of rain, the Watagans is notorious for getting greasy as fuck.
What I did was I came belting up the hill being a dickhead, and then
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Man, it's so much easier as 3 people.
and then I saw the puddle. I went, oh, f***. jumped on the brakes.
It's not
No,
gonna
it's
stay.
too.
brakes bent.
Push it over there. Where it's-
Brake pedal's a bit bent, my
Is
friend.
this broken off or is that like?
Yeah, it snapped off.
Did you hit the ground with your face?
Well,
Hit the ground hard.
I think I hit the branch there.
Oh shit.
I was just going way too quick.
Yeah.
And as I came over the crest, I couldn't see the puddle. And then I saw the puddle and jumped on the brakes, grabbed too much brake, locked
Yeah, I
up the
thought you were
front.
giving it a bit of winter.
Yeah. Could you throw that into the bag? The one point where I'm just like going along nice and slow, and then I go, you know what? I'm just going to have a little bit of fun for a second. Yeah.
You're right, that looks hard.
Yeah, it was had me phasey for a second. Yeah.
Let's go see your helmet.
Yeah.
Because this is where you're going.
Yeah.
You just missed that.
Yep.
Look what he just missed going through his helmet.
Have your visor down? Probably not.
No.
I don't know.
Where's the broken off? That's that thing is.
Oh, I put it up on your thing here.
You want to bend your brake back down? We'll just come through on this line. It's all just rock. You in neutral? Put it in neutral and then give it a bit of a rev when it starts. Rev. Have you got fuel? You're just going to have to keep the revs going. What's going on?
How'd you guys go?
All good.
How long have you been waiting?
We had a couple.
Only a minute. 1 minute.
We had a couple.
I had a crash.
Really? No way.
Yeah.
Actually, we could go to the
Just got to ride through.
because there's a shelter.
Yeah, let's do that. All right.
The other option, too, is we head to Macca's at Morisset,
Oh, we do that as well, I think.
or that's you can get fuel.
Yep.
There's a fuel station right there. Grab fuel, have some brekkie at Macca's, and then we can.
Is that right here, anyway?
Yeah, so you turn right here, go past HQ, and then we just basically follow the road around to the left. Yeah.
Did you say fuel? I don't need fuel now.
I think I've dumped
Do
a
you need
little bit out.
Macca's? Do you need Macca's?
It's 40 Ks,
You want to run in the fucking stuff.
Rigging the shit out of it. So it drops a
10 Ks to HQ, 40 Ks to Morisset.
We've smashed the Watagans in the rain before, haven't we, guys? Made it our bitch. Hear that, Andres?
No, I don't want to hear it.